India won the first T20 against Australia, and it was a match filled with little twists, some controversies, but at the end, India came victorious. Australia won the toss and they chose to bowl first, and India went with the opening pair of KL Rahul and Shikhar Dhawan. And KL Rahul got a good start, but Shikhar Dhawan got out for one. He was clean bowled by Mitchell Stark. That was a beauty of a delivery by Mitchell Stark right in the block hole. And I think that ball swung a little bit also. That was like typical Mitchell Stark. Then after that, Virat Kohli did he hit one or two shots, one or two good shots. Then after that, he got out. Then I think Sanju Samson came and he got a really good start, but he couldn't convert it. That's what he has to learn as as he progresses in his career. That's what he has to learn, how to convert these good starts into big totals when the team really needs it. Because when Virat Kohli got out, India needed a partnership, and KL and Sanju Samson built a partnership. And when it started to look, when it started to look a bit dangerous, then Sanju Samson got out. And after that, Manish Pandey couldn't get going, and he also got out. Then Hardik Pandya. Then it was a collapse. After that, then suddenly KL Rahul got out after scoring a beautiful half century. Then Ravindra Jadeja came to the rescue, and then that's where a little controversy happened. One ball hit Ravindra Jadeja in the head on its helmet. It hit him on its helmet, and he didn't show any signs of concussion at the time. Then I think after, or I don't know, I think before that or after that, something happened to his hamstring. And a player like Ravindra Jadeja, who is very fit, when when he's holding his thighs and when he's showing a pain, then there is something really wrong with the hamstring. But even after getting hit on the head and something happened bad with his hamstring, he scored some good runs, some precious runs for his team, and he took the score to 161. Like in last 2 hours, he played really well, and that's why India got to 161. It was not a winning total, to be honest. It was not a winning total. Winning total, everyone was predicting should be 200 plus. So 161 was way below that, and it was definitely not the winning total. Then after the innings ended, and so when Ravindra Jadeja went to the dressing room, he started to show some signs of concussions. So Yuzvendra Chahal came as a concussion substitute for Team India, but Australia didn't like it. We saw on the television screens as Justin Langer was arguing with no, he was actually talking with the match referee, but it was clear that he's not happy. And Aaron Finch was there, but it was Justin Langer who was talking to the match referee, and he was not happy. And as they should be, as they should be, because after getting hit on the head and the hamstring stuff, he batted really, really well. So that's what they it must have been like, because like as as from a viewer's perspective, or many people thought that India exploited the that concussion rule, because his hamstring so because of his hamstring he would not be able to bowl in the second inning, so they exploited the concussion rule. But as of now, Ravindra Jadeja has been ruled out of the T20 series, so that concussion thing was real. It wasn't like they exploited something or something like that. He has been ruled out of the rest of the T20 series because he failed concussion tests. There was some tests conducted by the BCCI medical team and he failed those tests. So they didn't exploit anything, they didn't cheat anything. it was, it was all by the, they played by the book. They didn't cheat anything or anything like that. And after that, India bowled really, really well. It was again, Shami is having a bad tour as of now. It was again a bad day for, a bad or off day for Mohammad Shami. And spinners actually bowled really well. Washington Sundar didn't give away runs. He bowled really tight lines, and Yuzvendra Chahal on the other end took wickets like at the right time. And in the, in the second spell, Pacers started to take off, and they took wickets at the regular intervals. And just when, when Maxwell came in, it was looking like if they got Maxwell out, then it will be their match. That's when they took Maxwell's wicket. And T. Natarajan, in his debut match, he was really, he bowled really well. He was very impressive. He bowled tight lines, and we all know, we have seen his Yorker skills, and he showed that in the match. He bowled one or two Yorkers, and one of them, I think, he took a wicket on one of the Yorkers. He clean bowled, I think, Mitchell Stark. So it was all in all good effort, and India is now one up in the T20 series, and Australia will need to, will need to work hard to get to level up the series. And Canberra has been a really good ground for India. They won the last ODI, and they won the first T20. Now they are going back to Sydney, where they lost the first two ODIs. So let's see how this goes. And as Jadeja is ruled out of the T20I, so Yuzvendra Chahal will definitely be playing, but we will have to take. Now it will be interesting to see what will be the batting order. Are they going to make any changes in the batting order? So it will be interesting to see. Let's see how this goes.